Right now, you're sitting on an asset worth more than your salary, more than your savings account, more than any stock you'll ever buy. And most people in their 20s throw it away without even knowing they had it. It's not money. It's not your job. It's time. By the end of this video, you'll see the exact number this decade is costing you if you waste it, and it's a lot bigger than you think. Meet two people, same income, same investment, same return. One decision separates them. Person A starts investing $300 a month at age 25, invests for 10 years, then stops completely, never adds another dollar, just lets it sit and grow. Person B waits, starts at 35, invests $300 a month every single month for 30 years straight, 3 times longer, 3 times more money put in. Who has more money at 65? At an 8% average return, Person A, who only invested for 10 years and stopped, ends up with more money than Person B, who invested for 30 years straight. Person A put in $36,000. Person B put in $108,000. Person A still wins. Person A put in a third of the money and still comes out ahead. Because of one variable neither of them controls once it's gone. Here's the part school never explained properly. Compound growth doesn't look like a straight line. It looks like this. Flat, 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 then suddenly steep. The flat part, the boring, invisible, slow-feeling part, happens in your 20s and 30s. The steep part, the exciting part where the numbers actually explode, happens because of what you did decades earlier. Your 20s are the flat part. That's why they feel pointless. This is why most people underestimate this decade, because in the moment, investing $100 a month at 23 feels like nothing is happening. There's no dopamine hit, no visible reward. The reward isn't invisible, it's just delayed 30 years. And here's the trap. Almost everyone says the same thing in their 20s. I'll start investing seriously once I earn more. But the flat part of the curve doesn't wait for your income to catch up. Every year you delay, you're not just losing a year, you're cutting off compound years at the most powerful end of the curve. Let's put a real number on waiting, not a vague warning, an actual dollar figure. If you invest $250 a month starting at age 22 and keep going until 65 at an 8% average return, you end up with roughly $1 million. Age 22, start approximately $1 million. Wait until 30 to start the exact same $250 a month, same return, same end age, and you end up with roughly $540,000. Age 30, start approximately $540,000. 8 years of waiting. Not 8 years of lost savings. 8 years of lost compounding. That gap is worth roughly $460,000. 8 years of waiting cost $460,000. That's not a hypothetical. That's the actual cost of the sentence, "I'll start next year." Said enough times, it's the most expensive sentence in personal finance. Now, before you think this video is telling you to skip every coffee and live like a monk until you're 40, that's not the point. Your 20s aren't for extreme sacrifice. They're for building 3 specific things, and none of them require a huge income. Foundation number 1, the habit, not the amount. The goal in your 20s isn't to invest a huge amount. It's to build the habit of investing something automatically every single month. $50 a month with a rock-solid habit beats $500 a month you only do occasionally. Foundation number 2, skills that raise your income ceiling. Your 20s are also the highest return decade for learning, a skill, a certification, a network. Money invested in yourself in your 20s compounds through your entire career, not just financially. Fount number 3, a clean starting line. No high-interest debt. Every dollar going to high-interest debt in your 20s is a dollar that isn't compounding in the market. Clearing that debt early isn't just relief. It's unlocking your own flat part years for growth instead of interest payments. Here's how to use your 20s properly in 3 moves. Move number 1. Start before you feel ready. Don't wait for a perfect amount. Open the account and automate an amount that feels almost too small. This connects directly to the GAP system from video number 9. If you don't have a GAP yet, find it first, then automate it here. Move number 2. Protect the habit more than the amount. If money gets tight one month, lower the amount. Don't stop the transfer completely. A habit that survives a hard month is worth more than a big contribution that dies after 3 months. Move number 3. Increase the amount every time your income grows, before lifestyle claims it. Every raise, every bonus, send a percentage straight into this account before it ever touches your checking account. This is the automation principle from video number 9. Applied to your most valuable decade. Start small, protect the habit, grow it with every raise, in that order.